Hey guys, Mr. Bobbin here, and so today, and yeah, that's how Malika films. What's she watching? Anyway, yeah guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, I am Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I crocheted in the month of January. So let's get it. I don't know what I was gonna say, but let's get it. So I only made 4 things this month. Crocheted 4 things this month. So let me show you guys. So to start off, I randomly decided to, so my birthday was January 6th, and like January 2nd, I was scrambling to figure out what I was going to wear for my birthday, January 6th, and I literally could not find anything to wear, so I randomly decided to make my own top, because I had jeans, so it was the top that I was struggling with, so I decided to make my own top. And in comes in. And here, I made the racer top. Ta-da! I'll have a picture right here for you guys to see. And literally, this was just something I made without even following like a pattern. I just knew what I wanted. I wanted like a top that had a high neck. I wanted short sleeves. And so I was like, okay, that's easy. I can make that. And I made this. So I wanted to use white because I was wearing white shoes. So I thought that would go perfect with it, but then I started running out of the white, and then I randomly had like a messy ball of red heart yarn, and it was red, and I was like, ooh, perfect, that'll be perfect for the sleeves, and then I can save like the white yarn to attach all the panels together. And then it turned out like this. I was so happy seeing how it turned out because I never made like a high neck crochet top before, so that was like scary because I did not know how it was going to fit at all. But I used Impeccable for the white part, and then I used Red Heart for the red part because I found it randomly. But yeah, this was my first piece, and this actually was not supposed to be my first piece because I was actually supposed to knit the, what's it called, sweater. It's not a sweater, but the pattern I had was wrong, so I was missing my 4th raglan inquiry, so I had to scratch that project because it was just so wrong. And so I ended up making this top, and I named it the racer top, and I actually have a free pattern at copydolls.com. So yeah, so you guys can all have your own racer top that I randomly made for my birthday. Cheese. The next project I made was my Rachel recreation top. So okay, every time I say something, it's literally like I randomly decided, because everything I do is like random. I randomly decide to do this or that. So I wanted to do a recreation piece, and I was just like Googling, like, no, I actually don't even know how I came across that picture of Rachel from Friends. I literally have no idea, so I can't even tell you guys a backstory because I don't remember like how I came across it and why I decided to no, okay, I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw like somebody recreate like that outfit with like regular clothes, like a white t-shirt, skirt, whatever, and I was like, ooh, I can do that but crochet the top. So yes, that's how that happened. But anyway, I ended up making this top, and it wasn't difficult, but I had to figure out how to make skinny sleeves again because I totally forgot how to make skinny sleeves. I've been doing like the skinny ribbing and then the wide sleeve, so I totally forgot. Oh, I have the picture right here of my recreation piece. But yeah, I totally forgot how to make skinny sleeves, but then literally as I was crocheting, I suddenly remembered, which was weird. But yeah, I just wanted something like super simple, super basic, nothing like too crazy to do, and I just thought that was so perfect to make. And then when I posted this when I posted this video, somebody commented and said that they're still waiting for me to do the Freddy Krueger sweater. And I know usually I don't tell you guys like my next recreation piece, but that is going to be my next recreation piece. I googled like the oh my gosh, I'm struggling. The Freddy Krueger sweater, because I never knew how it looked. I really don't. I barely even know who Freddy Krueger is. I've just heard of him. But anyway, so I googled the sweater and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I need to make that. I'm going to make like the distressed type of look. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, you guys know my next recreation piece, usually I keep that a secret until my video, but I'm telling you guys now and I'm super excited for that. And yeah, so thank you to whoever commented that idea, because I'm going to do it. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted something super simple, you know, white, basic. I use Drops Air. Oh, I already said that. I use Drops Air for this sweater and it's super stretchy, super stretchy. Like literally it looks like it can't even fit me, but when I put it on, it's like it stretches to my body, so I love that. But it also looks like impeccable. I want it to look kind of fluffy, but it didn't give me that like fluffy look I thought it would give. All in all, I loved how it turned out. I love the stretchiness about it, because with my racer top, these were both like high neck tops, and with this I struggled to put it over my head, but with this I didn't struggle at all, so I know it's because of the yarn. Yeah, so that's how this turned out. And that was my second piece for this month. And then my third and fourth piece is the one I literally just finished making, and it is my fuzzy coat. So I think I have to stand up for this. I'm not sure. Okay, I have to make sure a cat wasn't under my chair. But this is how it looks. Ta-da! I'm so proud of this piece. So that's how it looks. And yeah, I'll have the picture right here of the whole outfit and everything together. Literally, I'm so excited. No, I'm so excited. I was so excited to make this piece because I actually wanted to make this coat for a very long time, but I never got to it. I remember saying in like one of my videos I wanted to make something fluffy, or maybe I didn't say in the video, but I knew I wanted to make something like that. So I actually finally did, and yes, I know I'm saying actually a lot. I actually messed up on the coat, because I wanted to do that like boxed look instead of like that decreasing look, but I messed up because I didn't leave enough room for my head. I ended up having to unravel 20 rows and then doing that decreasing look, but it ended up perfect in the end. And I love the outcome. I actually wish I did my sleeves a little shorter, so like my fur wasn't like going down my hands, but that's totally fine. I just love how it came out, because it's like my vision literally came to life with this piece. And then literally while I was crocheting it, and after I finished the coat, I looked in the mirror and I saw like it just looked too plain, and then that's when I decided to add the pockets for it, and then boom, the piece came to life after that. So yeah, I was like excited throughout this entire process. And then I was using chunky yarn. I used Drops Andes, and literally I forgot the fluffy yarn I used, but so I used a 7mm and a 9mm, so like the project went by super fast. And I enjoyed the process because I knew how I wanted it to look, and it came to life. And so I'm super proud of this piece right here. Like, oh, it's so beautiful. And I love the brown. I don't even know why I decided to use brown. I just wanted to use brown for some reason. I love how it looked. Like, imagine this in like red or something for Christmas. Like, I might have to do that for Christmas. Anyway, so that's how this looks. And that was my third piece for the month of January. And then my last piece was this beanie I made to go along with this coat because I wanted it to look like super wintry, so like you guys got that winter vibe, since it still is January, so it's still winter here, I mean everywhere. But yeah, so I wanted it to have that like winter vibe, and I felt like a fluffy beanie would like go right along with it. So this was my 4th piece for the month of January. And yeah, literally this took me like, I would say 30 minutes to make. I totally forgot how to make a beanie, but like I remembered, all I had to remember was how to sew up like the top part, and you know, that's how it looked. That's how it looks. So ta-da. And that was my 4th piece for this month. Usually I don't have like this many crochet pieces, but like usually I have like one knit in between. But I actually was working on my louvre sweater, but I had to stop to make all of these pieces, and then I just ended up not touching that until, well, I'm actually going to go back to it tomorrow. But yeah, I've been crocheting literally all month, and I've actually been excited to crochet. Like I'm so excited to crochet again because I have so many new ideas that I'm super excited to show you guys and make patterns for and everything like that. Next month, so that's all I did for this month. So next month I literally have no idea what I want to make. I lied. I have like 2 ideas, which is the recreation and this. So I want to make this sweater. I don't want to go into details because I just want it to be a surprise. It's not really like anything extravagant, but it's totally different than what I've done before, and it's going to be super challenging because I've never done like this certain aspect of it before. And I'm just super excited to make that and show you guys. So that's one thing I want to do. I actually want to finish my Louvre sweater next month as well. So that will be like my 1 knit piece I will probably have for next month. So I will have my Louvre, the crochet piece that I want to do, then my recreation piece, and then I'll figure out like my 4th piece, you know, what I want to do, or whether I just want to spend more of my time doing my knit and other crochet piece, because my other crochet piece will take longer because I'm going to use a smaller hook, and I'm going to be single crocheting the entire piece with like a 4mm hook. So that's going to take longer than it usually would take with a 4mm. No, what am I saying? Anyway, so that'll take longer because I'm going to be doing single crochet, so that's going to be super, you know, I'm excited for that piece though. Ooh, I'm excited to show you guys. Anyway, so those are my plans for next month. I feel like I can get like all of them done because I'm like almost at the point of splitting for my sleeves for my Louvre. The Freddy Krueger sweater won't take long at all. That'll probably take me like 5 days, and then my other crochet sweater won't take a minute because I'm single crocheting. Like single crocheting sweater takes way longer than like half double or double. But those are my plans for now. Of course, I will update you guys along the way, but that's just what it's looking like for now. So it's like my shirt is literally backwards. Okay guys, so this is me a few days later, but I forgot to say a few things before I ended my video. So here I am, right before the outro. Yeah, so I said this before, but I haven't been saying it lately, but feel free to suggest like any ideas or recreations you guys would want me to try out, just like I'm going to be trying out the Freddy Krueger one. So feel free to comment in the comment section, of course, and give me some ideas that you would like me to see, that you would like to see from me, whether it's recreations or just another crochet knit piece that you've seen and you want me to try out. 2, I'm really breathless, I just ran down the stairs. And 2, I just updated the Copy Doll site, and we now have pattern bundles, so you guys can purchase pattern bundle, and one pattern is called the winter pattern bundle, and it includes like 6 winter pieces, and you can get that for $30 instead of $60, which is what you would get if you buy it individually. And then we have a most popular pattern bundle, which includes our most popular patterns, like 7. It's 7 patterns, so it includes 7 of our most popular patterns, and you can get that for $35 instead of $70, which is what you would pay for if you were buying all the patterns individually. So yeah, that's something new to our site, and I'm super excited to introduce more later on, which we will be doing later on. But for now, we're starting out with our winter pattern bundle and then our most popular pattern bundle. We will eventually have a beginner pattern bundle with like beginner patterns and stuff like that, just fun stuff, and you get it. And of course, you can purchase the pattern bundles at copydolls.com. As always, that's where all of our patterns are. That's where I will most likely send you 99.9% of the time. If I'm talking about our patterns, it will always be at copydolls.com, but I will always remind you guys because some people forget, and that's fine. But copydolls.com, pattern bundles, yeah. So that's all I wanted to say before this video ends. So let's roll back to past me to do the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.